Let's see how to insert factorial symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the factorial symbol is indicated by an exclamation point, and what that means is that it will multiply with all the other integers before it until the number 1. So, for example, if we type in 5 factorial or 5 exclamation point, that is equivalent to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. However, to insert the symbol itself rather than manually typing in the exclamation point, we have to use the equation field right here. So let's go ahead and type in our 5 factorial, type in the number 5, and you should be able to see the factorial symbol right here in this set of different symbols, and it should be this one right here, which says factorial. And as you can see, we now have our 5 factorial inside an equation field right there. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.